Today I am presenting my Notepad application. This project demonstrates both standard file input-output and binary serializations using C# and Windows Form. The application features a user-friendly interface with menu strip for operations and a status strip to provide real-time feedback to the user. Now let's show you how my application work. Let's write anything here. For example, Muhammad, and I will save it by pressing save as. I will name the file, for example, test, and its extension will be text, and its name test. Let's save it. Let's now clear my app by pressing on new. Now let's open our new file. Now let's modify it by write Muhammad and Kerem. Now I will save it, and now we can see it here. Muhammad and Kerem. And also now let's do serialization by save as and change extension to binary file and give name test2. Now let's see. And to close the application, I will press exit. Now I will explain briefly the core code behind my netbook application. At the top of the form1 class, I defined a string name, current file path. This variable acts as the program's memory to track the active file, allowing the save method to overwrite files silently without opening repetitive dialogues. The main logic lives inside the save and open event handlers. When saving, the code checks the file extension using an if statement. If it's a .text file, I simply use file.writeAllText for standard file input-output operations. However, if user selects a .pin file, the serialization process begins. I instantiate my custom note object and pass the text to it. Then I use a file stream combined with a binary formatter to serialize the entire object to the disk. This preserves both the text content and the exact timestamp. The open method simply reverses this process using this realize to reconstruct the object. Finally, all input-output operations are warped in try cache blocks to prevent crashes, and the status strip is updated dynamically to the provide clear use feedback. Thank you.